Lecture 2, Setting Up Project Structure. In the previous lecture we'd done the setup of WebLN provider, which is Albi in our case. In this lecture we will set up the initial project structure of our SendSats application. Now let's create a new Flutter application project named as SendSats with Flutter create command. This command creates a new app in a new folder, both named send_sats. Open it in your favorite IDE, VS Code in my case. Delete Android, iOS, Linux, macOS and Windows folder as we are only targeting Flutter-Web for now. Let's modify main.dart file. Here we will provide a theme data to share colors and text styles throughout our app. It's generally a good idea to establish a common theme object for your app, especially when you work with designers. That gives you a single source of truth to access your theme across all your widgets. Before going any further, we need to add few new packages. For that, open pubspec.yaml file and add the dependencies. Provider, this package allows you to provide data and state information to descendant widgets. It provides a convenient way to pass state down the widget tree and rebuild your UI when changes occur. Flutter_WebLN, this package helps you to interact with WebLN providers by providing a Flutter WebLN interface for creating Bitcoin Lightning-powered web applications. QR_Flutter. Flutter is a Flutter library for simple and fast QR code rendering via a widget or custom painter. Flutter Toast, this package helps us to easily create toast messages in single line of code. Confetti, this package provides us colorful confetti all over the screen. Just_audio, this package will help us to play audio in our app. Now let's run our Flutter project for web. Let's modify the scaffold background color as 0xFF212332. Great! So here we had successfully done the initial setup of our project SendSats. Thank you.